But you just get a sense of pride when you see people walking around in the products anyway. My name is Peter Woodall. I come from the Rosendale Valley. I work at Walsh's for 26 years. I'm a product developer, but also the manager. Why am I still making shoes?
Why are you still making shoes?
Well, it's just something that I know, something that I'm familiar with.
Do you love it?
Yes, especially when something new comes along. When you get a new idea and you've been involved in the development of it. The first company I went to, we were doing all sorts. We're doing basic cement lasted construction, tap dancing shoes, vulcanized products. So I spent quite a few years with them. And then an opportunity came to go and work in the sports industry. So I went up to Cumbria to work with New Balance. Ended up moving back to Rosendale and ended up here, you know, in Bolton. Previously I did do a spell with Reebok in Bolton. So I had an idea of the area and the type of product they were producing, and these products were very similar. Oh, the sound. Good people, good place to work. You know, at one stage there were over 20 of us at the old factory. We've been here 21, 22 years, I think now. Maybe a bit longer now. I've been here 26 years. I just think it's just an iconic shoe that's sort of been done over the years prior to me joining, but we've just sort of like brought it more up to date. It's just an iconic design. You know, you only have to look at the styles that we've developed over the last, well, longer than I've been here, really. There's quite a few. The Ensign, obviously, Cobra, the Whirlwind, good heavens. The New Glory, virtually every one of them for the last 20 odd years.
How many do you think you've been a part of?
All of them.
That's the correct answer.
That's why I'm this colour. It didn't always look like me like this, with a big quiff.
Big quiff.
A big rock and roll
Teddy
fan.
boy.
Mm-hmm.
Skinnies.
Yeah.
Big platforms.
Full Monty.